Hello everyone and welcome back. On today's screencast menu is number and it's on BIDMAS, which is better known as order of operation. It is super easy. It is just some rules that we need to follow when we work out any mathematical problem. So we're going to look through here. BIDMAS, what does it stand for? Highly recommend you write this down. In fact, I don't recommend it, I insist. Write it down, everyone. BIDMAS, we've got brackets, we've got indices, and we're going to talk about what indices are. We've got division, multiplication, adding, and subtracting. And although on the first few questions I'm going to have this at the top for you to re-go over, when we get to the quiz questions you need to know it off by heart. So make sure you know it off by heart, please. So we're going to go through, when we've got a problem like this, we've got two ways that we can work it out. Traditionally, what some people can do is they just do whatever's first. Okay, they read from left to right and they work it out. So let's work that one out and I'll tell you why it's wrong. So if we went 6 plus 3, we'd end up with 9, and then we'd say 9 times 5, which gives us 45. That's an incorrect answer because we've got to do this in this order. And that's brackets, indices, division, multiplication, adding and subtracting. So we've got to look at our question and we're going to say, are there any brackets? The answer is no. So we can move on. Is there any indices? So we have no powers. So if this had a little to the power of 2, then that would be an indice, but it doesn't have that, so we can move on. Is there any division? There's no division, so we can move on. Is there any multiplication? The answer is yes, so we do that part first. We go 3 times 5 gives us 15, and we write 15 underneath, and then we can add the 6. You can see that I'm breaking down this question one step at a time. I've done my 3 times 5, which gives me 15. But now I'm dropping this down because I haven't done this yet. Now, do we have any addition? Yes, we do. So we go 6 plus 15 gives me 21. And we can see that those two answers are vastly different. We've got to do them in the order that comes up here, yeah? We need to know this off the top of our head so that we can do it every time. So the next one, I want you to give this a go. Doesn't matter whether you get it wrong or not. It's important that if you get it wrong, you can understand then how to get it right. If you just sit there and listen to me, you possibly will just think, oh yeah, got it. Do this question, pause the video, and then come back and see if you've got it correct. So everyone, we can't just do it in the order that it's written. We've got to do it in this particular order. So we're looking through and we're saying, is there any brackets? The answer is no, so we can move on. Are there any indices? And the answer is yes. I've got this 2 to the power of 2, 2 times 2. So I've got to do that part first. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, we're plussing 4 here because we've got plus 2 to the power of 2. Then what we do is we drop down the other information. Okay, so here we go. 18 plus 4 plus 12. So now I can go through and say, okay, is there any division? No. Is there any multiplication? No. Is there any addition? Yes, there is. I could do it in any order now, but I'm going to do it from left to right. So 18 plus 4 gives me 22, and then I drop down the 12, so I'm just doing it one stage at a time. And then 22 plus 12, that gives me my 34. So again, guys and girls, I want you to pause the video, give this one a go. Remember to do it in the order that you see up here. Come back and see if you've got it correct. So this one was a little bit tougher because we do have some brackets and we are going to go into the negatives. So we're going to go 4, take away the 7, and that gives me minus 3. So now I drop down the 8 times minus 3, and that gives me my minus 24. If that threw you a little bit because it's a minus, then you definitely need to go back and watch the negative number video. But other than that, you should be absolutely fine. All right, everyone, so now it's time for you to do it again. So we've got one more slide here like this, 3 more questions, then we move into the quiz. Pause each of these, give this a go, and I'll quickly run through it after that. So first up, any brackets? No. Any indices? No. Any division? No. Any multiplication? Yes. 5 times 2 gives us 10. So then we add the 20 to that. 20 plus 10 gives me 30. Next question, everyone. So pause the video now, give this a go, come back and see if you've got it correct. So first step, do we have any brackets? No. Do we have any indices? Yes, we can see that there. 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. So we do that bit first. Then we rewrite underneath the 20 over 2, or 20 divided by 2, and we do that bit next, don't we? So 20, because we've got the old division. So we do the division first. 20 divided by 2, which gives us 10. We drop down the plus 4, and then we end up with plus 4. It's 4 plus 10 gives me 14. As per normal, everyone, pause the video once this question comes up, give it a go, and come back and see if you've got it bob on. So, do we have any brackets? No. Do we have any indices? No. Do we have any division? Yes, we do. 10 divided by 5. Hopefully we know that's 2. Then we can rewrite 2 times 2. And do we have any multiplication? Yes, we do. So it's 2 times 2, which just gives me 4, which was nice and easy. And it is what we've all been waiting for. It is time for the quiz. You can pause the video now, give this whole lot a go. Hopefully there's nothing in there that's going to scare you to death and you're going to get them all correct. Come back and see if you've got them right. Good luck. And here we go, everyone. It's time for the answers. Hopefully you got all those correct. So we went 31, 8 and 42. If you've got anything wrong, clearly look at my working, see where you've gone wrong and make those adjustments. But I'm sure you've got them absolutely fine. Well done, everyone. Fingers crossed you've done amazing. Write those revision cards and make sure you have a great day or evening. As always, it's been a pleasure helping you with your maths today. Enjoy the rest of your day or evening.